So this is part 2 of the tutorial, and as you can see, this is the back, and I've placed the front, how far I have knitted the front for to start the neck. And the neck is, I have started it 3.5 inches from the back neck of the back. So I've knitted into it's 5 inches, which for me is, I'll check on here, 34 rows or 36, which is 36 rows for me to here. And I've started the shaping, and I've put, well, I actually knit across, and then I put the next 18 stitches onto a holder here, and I'm going to work on the side where I still have the yarn attached. So I have 34, I think it's 34 stitches, yes. Yes, I have 34 stitches for my size. There's 34 stitches left on here, and I'm going to work on those stitches, and I'm going to decrease I'm going to decrease at the neck edge on the next 5 rows, and then on the next 5 alternate rows until I have 24 stitches left, and then I will knit until it matches the back, which will be up to 60 rows. For me it's 60 rows, but it's 8.5 inches. And then I will be decreasing, or not decreasing, I'll be casting off the stitches for the shoulder. So I'm just going to knit a few rows here. 1, 2. Now blow that up a little bit, and I'm at my last 3 stitches, and I'm going to, there's 2 purl and 1 knit, so I'm going to purl that stitch and then purl the next 2 together. So that's 2 stitches, that's 2 rows I've done, and that's 2 stitches I've cast off. If anyone wants to, they can put these stitches onto a holder if they want, but I just leave them on the needle until I come to knit them again. And this is my third stitch I'm casting off, and it's knit stitches, so I'm knitting into the back of those 2 stitches and then carrying on with the pattern. And I'm on to the next row, and it's a change of the pattern because it's every 4 rows this pattern, so I'm going purl instead of knit. So my last 3 stitches I have to purl 1. Oh, and I've got that stitch off there, and then purl 2 the last 2 stitches. And the next row, that holder keeps getting in the way. Next row is knit 2, so I'm going to knit 2 together through the back of the loop, and then carry on across the row. So I have decreased the 5 stitches on the 5 rows, and now I'm going to do them on the 5 alternate rows. I have 3 stitches left, 2 knit and 1 purl, so I'm going to knit 1, knit 2 together. That's the first one. I won't be decreasing on the next row, it'll just be on the right side row. So I'll be carrying on alternate rows now until I have 24 stitches left. That's all the decreasing done on the, you can't tell properly till I cast it off. And I now have another 8 rows to knit up to the shoulders, because you count to count your rows, it's easy with them being in multiples of 4. The pattern, you just go from your armholes, where I'm counting 60. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 40, 44, 48, 52. So I now have another 8 rows to do to get up to the shoulder. And now I'm up to the shoulder cast off. I've done all the neck shaping, and it's up to my 60 rows or 8.5 inches, whatever you're doing. So I'm going to cast off in the way the pattern goes. So I'm on to the next new lot of 4. So instead of purl, I'm doing knit. So I'm going to cast off 12 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to knit to the end of the row now. And now to cast off the last 12 stitches. Just need to cut that off, leave a length for sewing. And that is that side done. So that's one side of the neck done, and I'm going to do the other side now, and I will be back when I've finished that. So that's both sides of the neck finished. We're down a lower thing so you can see better. So I just need to sew the shoulders up, and then I can pick the stitches up for the neck. But I'll be doing the sleeves first. This will be part of the sewing up when I show. I will probably do the neck before I do the sleeves, but I won't show that until I do the sewing up. But I'll show how I knit the neck. As you can see, so not much more to do. The sleeves will be a lot quicker than the back and the front, but for anyone that wants the information, put it up again. I don't know whether you can see all of that on there. You better hold it down like that and you can get it all in. Those are the instructions for what I've done up to now. There are other sizes on there, but I haven't got all the instructions in for other sizes because I'm still working those ones out. I have knit different sizes I can work out from what notes I have in my book, but I haven't noted down yet. So that's the first page for the back. And for the front, it's the same as the back, up to the neck shaping, and after the armhole shaping you knit 5 inches or 36 rows, which is what I have done. It all depends on the individual person's tension. And then the instructions for the neck, the decreasing and that is all for that one. And a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you when I do the rest of the tutorial.